Hello, and welcome to License-Free Shorts. Top 5. TV licensing opening Gambits. Some quick background. According to their own procedures, TV licensing staff should identify themselves immediately. But they tend not to. So, what do they say instead? Are you a name from their database? This is a misuse of your personal data. It's intended to demand your attention, and shock you. Have you recently moved in? This opens the conversation, but also begins to establish liability. And starts to extract details for later documentation. Are you the householder? Again, seeking to establish liability. Obtaining info before saying what it's for. You must confirm your name. Misusing DPA to obtain or confirm a name. This often leads to a standoff where TVL refuse to identify themselves. I want to help you get properly licensed. What they mean is, I want to sell you a license. And take a prosecution statement. If you have questions about the UK TV license, you can ask them by leaving a comment on this video. Alternatively, TV license resistance can help with more detailed, technical questions. Money-saving expert forums can also advise on more general license questions. If you found this video useful, please like, subscribe, share or comment. Thanks for watching.